Alright, today's Sunday, August 22nd, 2010. We're looking at a chart of the Euro US dollar daily. Alright, so each candle here is 1 day. As you can see, we've had quite a bearish trend coming down over the past few months here, and then which was broken in about July, mid-July, and then we had a very nice bullish correction here. Now since then we've had a good sell-off in the last couple of weeks, and as you can see, we've returned to support. Alright, so we did have this channel coming through this level right here, this level right here, and then also this corresponding upper level going through here. Now one thing to notice is based on Friday's action, we actually managed to break through the channel and also close beneath that level, right? And again, this swing point. So essentially we do have these two levels of support, one right here and one right here. And again, we've closed below this one, and we're looking at this one to attract some buyers here and hopefully get some sort of a bounce. Now taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, if you look at it from a little bit of a larger view, you can see that there's a potential head and shoulders pattern here, right? And this being the neckline right here, which was breached. Now the more important thing to notice is, the actual price action itself. So you do have these higher swing lows coming through here, and higher swing highs, and then over here we do have a lower swing low, a lower swing high, and now we're in the process of making a lower swing low again, right? Based on this swing point right here. So again, looks like we have caught some support here. There is some bullish action, and we should expect some sellers coming in right at the neckline again to push this thing back down further. And then we also have this reference, this trend line for sellers coming in, and again, it's quite possible we see a retest of this channel. Now, if price does manage to break above this point right here, right, and that point is approximately 129.20, then there's a good chance that we do see some more upside. And the reason is because at that point we have made a higher swing high and we are back above these resistance levels. So my best bet next week is going to be to take a short at this level if it sets up, and then up at these levels again. And if we do break this point, then I'll change my bias to a more bullish scenario. But otherwise, it's quite likely we do see a continuation down, and we could take a measured move of this channel right here, which would most likely put us somewhere near our low. So looking at about 500 plus pips, that would put us somewhere down in this area right here, where you can see the support. Okay, so it's going to be very important if price does manage to break down, to watch these key levels of support as we progress. And again, we should see people taking profit here, buyers coming back in, pushing it back up, and looking to reload on the short side. But that is if we push down. If not, then we'll look at the same use the same technique to try and get into positions on the long side. So good luck next week. Thanks for watching. mugtrading.tk.